Little Yazoo, extensive damage to this mobile home. As you can see, the strong winds ripped the metal roof completely off.
Water's getting into the walls and coming into the windows, so there's a good bit of water damage.
No one was inside when the storm hit the house on Fletcher's Chapel Road, just off Highway 49.
We would have been pretty scared, I'm sure, with the roof coming off. Not sure what it was like at the moment.
The neighbor's metal carport exploded once the storm hit it. And nearby Bentonia, a county crew working to clear 2 large downed trees blocking Kirk Road.
We're just trying to get the roads back passable, and we'll get back out here tomorrow and try to clean them up better. Hopefully we've seen the worst of it already.
Back in Little Yazoo, neighbors rushed over to put a tarp on the mobile home before the next rain. The family calls this area Tornado Alley. They say this is the second time in at least 15 years that their dad's home has been damaged by strong winds. Reporting from Yazoo County, Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.